Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I am doing a AliExpress haul, craft supply haul video. Whoa, got a little confused there. Yeah, today I am doing 3 packages, 1 big one and 2 smaller ones. So let's get into it. How is everyone doing? I'm gonna resume giveaways very soon. I'm just kind of busy with putting everything together, and it's been raining a lot here, so it's kind of been just gloomy and tired. Just always tired. Or is it just aging? I don't know. I think it's both. Look at this cute little paws. It's so adorable. What is under here? It says possum. These are really good to heat emboss. They're pretty big. And this was also really big. I don't think I will heat emboss this outline. I think there's just a lot of crowding. I call this crowding when there's a lot of black outlines so close to each other. And then with this also came a mushroom sticker. Cute little stickers. That's that. I have a lot of haul stuff to open, and I bought more last week. So I want to open as much as I can, because some have been sitting here since last year, January 2021, January. It's been sitting there because it's just been piling up. And there's a lot of Valentine's Day stuff and also a lot of Easter stuff. So I thought my best option will be to go through these, open them, and I also test them out. So what I do is I stamp them on a regular white paper and then put it on the back of where I store them. That way I can see the quality of it. And well, this is big. Both of them are really big, and this is Happy Mother's Day. Also really good to organize for that. This is really busy. Really busy. But I always need to see the outcome, so in case it's bad, I don't accidentally ruin my project. Okay. This one is big. First we have this. Came with 2 sponges. I actually bought a whole big bag of this. One for every color. It's easier than constantly cleaning it. So each just has their own color. Look at all this. See, this is what I mean, that I need to open them. There could be Valentine's Day stuff in here. And you know what else is here? Christmas stuff that I totally missed. A beautiful tree. I can make this a Valentine's Day tree. Just color the leaves pinks. Different shade of pinks. Sentiment with the flower. It's been a long time. I don't even remember buying these. Nice. I'm trying to pick out packages from the bottom. So I opened the older stuff. Really cute, but definitely have to cut it out to see what it says. Oh, look at those. Look at these. So cute. More flowers. I also have so many die cuts to organize. It's an issue. I'm gonna stop buying, I swear. I just saw a few things that are new and I had to get before it sells out. Oh, this is pretty. I love this one. This is a pocket for a journal. An Eiffel Tower. A corner. This thing for Christmas. And also there's a lot of duplicates, of course, so I have to look through those as well. I used to always test out the die cuts, and ooh, see, I was looking for this 2 months before Christmas, but I couldn't find any in my stash, and here it is now. Yeah, I mean, I don't mind buying it because, you know, then later I don't have to, and whenever I need to do something, I already have it, and I don't have to wait 2 more months to get something I want. What was I saying? Oh, that I used to cut these out to see the quality of it, and to have like an example of it. But it took so long. It took a whole day to cut out this, the amount of dies I'm showing you here. And it is just one package. So if you've seen my videos, you'll understand. Oh, look. Love cats. It's the shape of a cat. Cats. But yeah, I no longer do it because it really takes so much time. An evil snowman. Because it does take so much time. So instead, I mean, it's pretty simple to see what this says. It says, what does it say? Hello. I thought I was gonna say love because it's the heart. It says hello. Skeleton. Obviously, this is gonna be the outcome. Yes, it might be bad, but I much prefer to accidentally ruin a die rather than a stamp, because it's easier to fix a die. I can just pick another one if it's not good. Car. This is more like steampunky. Another flag. A tree and a couple. Gonna put that aside for Valentine's Day. Another Christmas one. This is beautiful. Here we have Scarecrows. I don't know if I like it. I wish there were more details to it. Brooms, witches' brooms. A village. You know, this Christmas I wasn't really inspired. Okay, gotta put this aside for Valentine's Day stuff. Keys might have a duplicate. There's so many of it. Flower. Christmassy one. Yeah, this might be a duplicate. It looks suspiciously familiar. Ow. Ow. You know, sometimes these little details, they do not come out very good. We'll find out what we do. I was saying that this Christmas I didn't really feel very inspired. I don't know. To do crafts. It's a Christmassy one. Oh, they sent me a free gift. It says best wishes. Also Christmas one. I just gotta like sit down and look for inspiration. I love this. There's 2 of them, male and female, and then you can choose the different antlers for it. Very good. This is a door with mushrooms. Feathers. Another door. Another door. Flowers. We have amazing stuff in this package. I'm a little scared to start organizing these. Train. Where am I gonna put that? You guys, this is so cute. It's a snowman in winter's clothes. Oh, wait. It's a duplicate. It's a gift? No? It's not a gift. I think it was an accident. They accidentally grabbed 2 probably. Alright, one of them is going into the giveaway. No problem. What is that? This? I There's no way I paid a few dollars for one single little mushroom. But you know what? It's been so long. I'm gonna show you this one. That I don't even know what order this came from, so I'm not gonna complain about it. It's only one item anyway. Look how beautiful this is. It's a steampunk man and woman. What I'm thinking of doing with it is, because it has no details, it's gonna be like a silhouette. Just in one color. Dark. Black probably. Or something similar. This, I have no idea what this is. Just like that one. I have no idea. Oh, this is two separate. It's a corner, but still. All I said was like 30 cents. There's no way I bought these two. It happens. Often if they don't have something in stock, I don't know, it disappears or something, then they send something else instead. Okay, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Very soon I'm gonna have the giveaways started up again. Thank you for being patient, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day.